Hey Foot Geeks, today we're going to look at a rheumatoid foot. There's rheumatoid arthritis in this foot. The client has been suffering from that for some time, and there's a lot of significant callousing on the bottom of the foot. As you can see in the picture, there's calluses all across the ball of the foot. There's a callus on the inner part of the heel, and really what we want to do here is offload the pressure, reduce the discomfort on that particular area through a foot orthotic device. The client does have some limited ability to fit this orthotic into her shoes because she has some dressier shoes she wants to wear, and they don't have as much space as we potentially would like. So what we decided to do is use a accommodative material like EVA that's similar to the material you'll find in your running shoes. They do come in different densities, and we're using a softer material for cushioning purposes. And what we did, because we're using a three-dimensional casting technique that allows us to then use computer-aided design to actually add depressions into the orthotic device, and that's something that I'll plug into here. As you can see, the actual orthotic device itself, as you can see in the image, there's a little bit of a hole in the back that we cut into the orthotic shape. That's going to offload pressure on the callus on the heel. And we also did a metatarsal bar addition, which is a little bit of lift behind the ball of the foot to raise the metatarsal arch up so we can reduce the pressure on the ball of the foot. And then depress the forefoot, meaning that we took out material there to reduce pressure on the callus spots that are present on the foot itself. And therefore, what we finally do is add a layer of plastazote on top. Plastazote is a very soft material that actually conforms to the foot as the foot is pressing down on it, so it'll allow for some additional comfort over time as the foot creates its own little depressions for those callus spots. Now, if you have any questions or concerns regarding this video, or you want to comment anything, do so right below. And if you haven't subscribed to us yet on YouTube, do that over there. Have an awesome day. Talk soon.